In a little bit, I am going to have an appointment with the electric company, the gas company, which is the same as the electric company here. They are going to come out and they are going to replace or relocate my gas line. And so right now, the gas line was in front of the house. And the porch is covering it up. It's actually underneath the porch. And so what they're going to do is they're going to dig out all of the sand and dirt that's there, and they are going to relocate the current gas line from in front of the house, which is underneath the porch, to the side of the house. So they are here. They are going to be here in a little bit, and when they are here, I'm going to take you over there so we can see what is going on. Alright, so what happened is the gas line is underneath the house, underneath the porch. And so they are currently moving the gas line from underneath the porch to a new location. So I'm going to kind of talk with the guys and see. Hi, good morning, guys. I'm the homeowner. Did you all need to get inside for anything? Because I'm going to be online doing some other stuff. So
no.
You're not going to need to get inside? Okay.
I noticed you don't have a fuel line out.
Fuel line?
Yeah, it's a pipe coming out of the house that connects all your appliances inside. Without that, you will never get a meter. I'm just letting you know.
I think it was underneath there.
No, your line. Your fuel line to the house. There's a hole on the side here where they want us to put the new fuel line.
Yeah.
Well, that hole has to have a pipe coming out.
Okay, so right now it's underneath this part coming out from the basement.
Okay, so.
And so now I have to get them to connect it this way.
Out of that wall hole.
Yeah, so as soon as you all finish, then I'll call my guy out and he'll run it.
Out that side.
Yeah, because right now it's underneath. I don't know if you all seen it, but he could just run the pipe going straight across and. Like, it's actually coming out the basement right now.
Yeah, but it's not coming out of the wall.
Right, so wherever you put it, I'll have him to go from there, just depending on where you all put it.
Yeah, that's fine, because like I said, if you don't have, they'll pipe it and everything, put a meter on, but they will not turn it on unless you have a working plan. I don't know if they explained all that to you.
Yeah, as soon as, because he marked it and he said as soon as you all, I don't know if you're the one that's going to like run it on that side.
Yeah, we're just running the new fuel line to the side of the house. That's what we're doing. That's it.
Yeah, and once you do that, then I'll get my guy out here running line, and then I guess I'll call the meter people out.
Right.
Yeah, cool. Thank you guys so much.
Right, you're welcome.
I appreciate it. Have a good one.
You too.
Thanks. Haha, look what's buried. Ho, ho, ho. Alright, you all, so I am going to give you this update on the gas pipe relocation. And he got his hat backwards. Alright, we'll leave him right there. They try their best to save the plant. So the original gas line was, I know you can't see it, but it was under here. And so they relocated it and moved it to the other side, which is here. Perfect. Perfecto mando. So they haven't moved here. So what I would do is have my HVAC guy to run the pipe out of this hole, which is right here. Then I will call them back and they will put my meter there and connect it. They made sure that they cleaned off the sidewalk behind themselves, and hopefully got rid of a few extra weeds along the way. And that's the last grass I have to cut for this year. So until next time, you all, let's get that gas together. Alright, you all, that is it. So today the goal was to get the gas line moved, because although I'm not at the phase and the stage where I'm ready to get a new appliance, it is so important that I have all of the hookups ready. And I wanted to make sure that I got the hookups in the lines, in this case the gas lines, dug up and replaced, because it's nice outside. Wintertime is coming. It'll be here before you know it, and I wanted to make sure that I did not endure any additional unexpected costs that's related to moving those gas lines. So now that that's done, I could call my guy out. He could run the new gas lines from the basement through to the outside to where the new line was placed, and then I could call them out when I get my first gas appliance to get that hooked up. And now that is off my checklist. So stick with me, you all. This is going to be a journey that's worthwhile. I am so glad that I have you all here to watch and to support this channel, you all. Thank you so much. Until next time.